Today, I'll walk you through how to create a Cloudflare Pages site, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to publish your website online for free, so you can share it with clients effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Cloudflare's website. You can do this by typing Cloudflare.com in the address bar. Cloudflare is a powerful platform that provides various web services, including hosting for your website. Once you're on the Cloudflare homepage, look for the Login button in the upper right corner and click on it. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the prompts. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Cloudflare dashboard. Here, locate the quick search bar at the top of the page. This feature allows you to quickly access different services within Cloudflare. Type in Workers and Pages into the search bar and hit Enter. This will direct you to the section where you can create your Cloudflare Pages site. Next, click on the Create Application button. This is where the magic begins, as you will start setting up your new site. Now it's time to upload your finished website. Click on the option to upload your files. Ensure that your portfolio created with HTML, CSS, and images is ready for deployment. After your files are uploaded, you'll need to assign your site an address. This is the URL where your site will be accessible, and Cloudflare will provide you with a free address ending in workers dev. Once you've assigned your address, click on the Deploy button to launch your site. This step is crucial as it makes your website live for the world to see. Finally, to check if everything is working correctly, click on Visit. This will take you to your newly created site, allowing you to see your hard work come to life. As a final touch, click on the About section to ensure all parts of your site are functioning as expected. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Cloudflare updates its interface regularly. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.